Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change appearance in NBA 2K26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just pause the game and head over to the section My Player. Here you're gonna see the first option, appearance. So just open that up, and here in the appearance we're gonna see the first section for clothes. If you want to change the clothes for city, just select the first option, and here you will able to change top as well as bottom. Similarly, you can change shoes. If you want to change socks, dress shirt, all of that can be changed from here. Okay, if you want to change the on-court accessories, you can do that too. You can change shoes here, you can change socks, as well as if you want to set this on long, medium as well as short, you can do that from here. Once you change the shorts length and all that kind of stuff, you'll need to head over to the next section, which is banners, and here you can change the banner which is behind your name. Once you happy with this, go to backgrounds. Here you'll able to change the background for intro. Then here we have the next option for vitals. Here we have the first option, body type, which you can change to tone, broad, and whatever you have unlocked. In my case, I only have unlocked broad, that's why I'm not getting too much option, but if you have, you can just choose that. Then you can change the nickname, all this kind of stuff like first name, last name. If you want to change the jersey name, that would be changed from here. Just after vitals, we have the next option, appearance. So if you're the one who want to change his face, so you can do that from here. Choose the face you like, and if you want to edit some details in the face, you can hit Y, and they'll allow you to do any changes to this face. Like I want to change the hair, I can do that from here. Similarly, I can change ears. Then if I want to change the nose, I can do that from here. So all of the customization you can do if you want to like select a particular face and make changes on that. And even if you want to scan your own face, you can do that too. There is an option for that as well. The only thing you cannot edit is hide, but apart from that, everything can be changed. To save these changes now, just hit B on Xbox and circle on PlayStation. Just save. And yeah, there you go, we have successfully changed the appearance of our player, and that's exactly how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.